Welcome to your IELTS listening practice from Spinta.org. This is a mini-test designed to help you practice a specific section of the exam and improve your confidence. The recording will be played one time only, just like in the official test. Let's begin.
Welcome to today's lecture on carnivorous plant evolution. A fascinating realm within botany, carnivorous plants have developed remarkable adaptations to thrive in nutrient-poor habitats. In this session we will explore the evolution of these plants, their unique trapping mechanisms, and how they have adapted to survive in environments with limited nitrogen and phosphorus. To begin, let's delve into the concept of nutrient-poor habitats. Most of the planet's ecosystems are rich in organic matter and nutrients. However, certain regions are characterized by soils that are substantially low in essential nutrients. These areas are often waterlogged or acidic, resulting in conditions where plants struggle to survive. Under these stressful conditions, some plants have evolved to absorb nutrients differently. One of the most effective adaptations seen in these environments is the development of traps that enable carnivorous plants to capture and consume insects and other small organisms. This process of carnivory allows them to supplement their nutrient intake, particularly nitrogen, which is crucial for their growth. This brings us to our first key concept within carnivorous plants: adaptations. Carnivorous plants showcase a myriad of morphological and physiological adaptations that make them successful predators in their ecosystems. For example, they often possess brightly colored leaves that attract insects. These plants utilize vibrant pigments like anthocyanins, which can provide visual cues to potential prey. In fact, the striking coloration is one way in which these plants effectively lure unsuspecting insects. Furthermore, many carnivorous plants have evolved specialized structures to capture their prey. The most common of these adaptations are sticky traps, pitfall traps, and snap traps, each illustrating unique evolutionary advancements. The Venus flytrap, for instance, is perhaps one of the most famous examples of a snap trap. Its tubular lobes snap shut when sensitive hairs on their inner surfaces are triggered. Another example can be seen in the genus Nepenthes. Known as pitcher plants, they possess elongated leaves that form a deep cavity filled with liquid. The liquid is slippery, which increases the chances that the prey will fall in and drown. This structural design not only aids in capturing insects, but also helps in digesting them. In contrast to these structural adaptations, we should also consider the role of insectivorous relationships in their survival strategy. As they capture insects, carnivorous plants effectively mitigate nutrient deficiencies. This evolutionary path illustrates a significant and intelligent response to environmental pressures. Moving along, let's discuss how these plants perform photosynthesis despite their carnivorous traits. This is an interesting aspect because many assume that carnivorous plants obtain all their energy from predation. However, they still rely on photosynthesis as their primary means of energy production. The interplay between photosynthesis and carnivory ensures that these plants can thrive in nutrient-poor environments. Through this symbiotic relationship, carnivorous plants maximize available resources. They capture nitrogen and other essential nutrients from their prey, while simultaneously producing carbohydrates and energy through photosynthesis. This dual strategy is critical to their survival and reproductive success. We should also acknowledge that the nutrient-poor conditions of their environment lead to adaptations in their reproductive strategies. Carnivorous plants often exhibit unique flowering traits that ensure the success of their species. By blooming at times when their resources allow, they optimize the chances of their seeds germinating and maturing. Next, we cannot overlook the significance of the soil type in which carnivorous plants thrive. Generally speaking, these plants prefer environments that are acidic and low in nutrients, such as peat bogs, swamps, and marshes. These habitats are essential to their ecology and serve to define their evolutionary trajectory. In the case of plants like Drosera or sundews, they thrive in bog regions where the soil is not only nutrient-poor but also rich in water. The combination of these factors creates ideal conditions for their growth. Their leaves are equipped with glandular hairs that secrete a sticky substance to attract insects, ensuring their access to nutrients. Now that we have examined the various trapping mechanisms and habitat adaptations, let us take a brief moment to discuss the evolution of these plants. The evolutionary history of carnivorous plants is indeed complex, with fossil records tracing back over 50 million years. Studies suggest that carnivorous traits have independently evolved multiple times across various plant lineages. For instance, investigations into the phylogenetic relationships of carnivorous plants reveal that adaptations such as trapping mechanisms are not exclusive to one lineage. Rather, they appear in several unrelated families. This parallel evolution illustrates how similar environmental pressures can lead to similar adaptations in disparate plant groups. In the current research landscape, scientists are continuously uncovering new insights into the genetic and environmental factors that contributed to the development of these unique adaptations. Recent studies have utilized genetic sequencing, which can shed light on the specific genes responsible for carnivorous traits. Additionally, case studies on specific species, such as the documented interactions of various beetles with different carnivorous plants, have provided valuable insights into their complex ecological interactions. Research highlights the ways in which these plants have adapted to attract specific types of prey, which ensures their essential nutrient uptake. In conclusion, the evolution of carnivorous plants emphasizes the intricate interplay between environment and biology. Their adaptations to nutrient-poor habitats, diverse trapping mechanisms, and the unique evolutionary pathways taken by these extraordinary organisms serve as a testament to nature's resilience. As we have discussed, the ability to mitigate nutrient deficiency through carnivory while maintaining the basic functions of photosynthesis illustrates the remarkable adaptability of plant life. In light of these adaptations, the exploration of carnivorous plants continues to inspire both ecologists and botanists, contributing significantly to our understanding of adaptation and survival. I hope this lecture has provided you with a deeper appreciation of carnivorous plant evolution and the remarkable strategies these plants employ to thrive in their environments. Thank you for your attention.
You have now completed the practice test. When you are ready for a full exam experience, visit us at Spinta.org. There you will find complete mock tests for all 4 skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Our platform provides instant AI feedback for your speaking and writing tasks, along with an accurate prediction of your band score. Take control of your preparation at Spinta.org.